see how to log in a e-office. E-office में कैसे log in करना है ये हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे. In Google you simply search e-office Polytour. Once you click it, you get the website called Polytour Government Polytechnic Durg e-office. Just click this first link and you will get the button over here named Web VPN. Here some other links is also there, the tutorials and the settings for e-office signature. This website is useful for you. You can save it as a favorite by clicking this star button, or if you only interested in e-office, then just click this button. The link for web VPN is there. You can mark it as a you can mark it as a bookmark or as a favorite website. How to mark it? Just click right side in that bar and click add page. It gives you two options, where at what place you want it. If you click it as a bookmark bar, it means it display in the front of there. I just click it, leave it and save. You will see because of there are so many menus, it's come in the bottom. If you want it in a front, you can just select and leave it. I will show you how to use it again. जैसे ही आप इस पेज को बुकमार्क करना चाहें तो आप इसको इस यूआरएल पे ये राइट क्लिक करेंगे. यहाँ पे इस खाली जगह पे मैं जहाँ क्लिक कर रहा हूँ आपको देखो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. एट दैट प्लेस आई एम राइट क्लिकिंग. जस्ट राइट क्लिक करना है और ऐड पेज को क्लिक करना है. जैसे आप ऐड पेज करेंगे इट गिव्स यू टू ऑप्शन. ये आपको दो ऑप्शन देता है, बुकमार्क बार और अदर बुकमार्क. You need to select the bookmark bar and save. Once you save, if there is a space is available in your Chrome is bookmark bar, it appear in the front there. Otherwise, it comes in the bottom of this list. I just pick it and leave it in that place. Once you open the new website, you just click it and the web page will appear. After that, you need to type your email address provided by NIC and type the password, whatever password you have. And then press sign in. Oh, if you provide the wrong password, it will give such errors to you. Let me type my correct user ID and password and press the sign in button. जैसे ही आप सही यूजर पासवर्ड टाइप कर लेंगे, it gives you this screen that is called mobile token based OTP generation screen. You need to press this send OTP button, then only the OTP will send. Okay, the default selected to your mobile number. Once you click this, now it send the OTP. The OTP comes in your mobile. You just need to type here. जैसे ही आप ये OTP टाइप कर लेंगे, यहाँ पे आपको साइन इन बटन प्रेस करना है. Now you are signing in a web VPN of NIC. This web VPN is a access point to access all other web application. Currently it gives only the option of e-office and test of VPN. Further in later time you will get the other application also like Sparrow. I'm clicking the e-office option here. It will redirect you to the main website of e-office, but here you need to log in through your Parichya mail ID. So you have to type again your email ID and password, and you have to click that concern to परिचय and press next. आपको अपना आईडी, पासवर्ड और इस कंसर्न टू परिचय को क्लिक करना होगा. इस ऑप्शन के थ्रू आप ओटीपी के थ्रू लॉगिन कर सकते हैं. इसको क्लिक करने से पासवर्ड ऑप्शन हट जाएगा. इट शो ओनली to give your username and OTP will send for the login purpose. In my case, I gave in both user ID and password and click this. Then press next button. After clicking this, there is a option of OTP. Once you click it, OTP, it will gives you again OTP on your phone, or if you set up the one-tap authentication app, through that app you can also log in. For this time I set OTP option. I select the OTP option. You again need to type this OTP. If you don't want to this OTP again and again or every time you log in this system and it is your personal system, it's secure, then only you select this option. Don't ask me again on this system. If you check this system, this checkbox, next time it will not ask any OTP to you. It's directly login in the system. It's totally up to you how you want to log in. If yeah, it's a very sensitive things, so don't do it on any public system. It's recommended you should use only your personal system to then only you should select this checkbox. अगर आप अपना पर्सनल सिस्टम यूज करें तभी इसको ऑन करें. देन आपको इस नेक्स्ट बटन को क्लिक करना है एंड हियर you are now logging in eOffice portal. Remember that this URL directly not works. If you copy that URL and mark it as a book URL and you want to log in through that directly, it's not work. To log in this, you need to log in through this URL. This is your home screen and here you have lots of options like what is new. It is a notice board. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं आपको. जैसे नोटिस बोर्ड है जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ आपको कुछ लेटर्स भेजना चाहे तो वो यहाँ रख सकते हैं. टू डू लिस्ट, कोई भी पेंडिंग वर्क जो आप करना है वो आप रख सकते हैं. टास्क, अगर आपने किसी को असाइन किया है अपने नीचे लेवल पे तो वो भी आप यहाँ से अपने टास्क को मैनेज कर सकते हैं ऐड करके, और जो कंप्लीट हो गया उसको टिक कर सकते हैं ग्रीन मार्क एज कंप्लीटेड. Suppose a NEET exam is done, I just click it. This task is completed from my side and remaining 2 tasks is there. So that is one way to make a digital diary. What are the tasks, what is pending from your side, to-do list and notes. You can write any notes here. Simply type the title and save the click the save button. It will save automatically on the cloud storage. That is good thing. Okay, let's go to the eOffice menu. I am selecting this one, eOffice, from the left side menu. Depends on your internet, it takes some times to load. I am in remote area, that is why it's little bit slow to open. This is the interface of your eOffice. Here is 3 different sections. यहाँ पे ये बेसिक इंटरफेस है eOffice का, जहाँ पे 3 डिफरेंट सेक्शंस हैं. फर्स्ट, रिसिप्ट्स. अगर आपको कोई फाइल मिली होगी आपके हायर ऑफिस से या सब ऑर्डिनेट से, तो वो आपको यहाँ दिखाई देगी। रिसिप्ट सेक्शन, आपने कोई फाइल बनाया है, उसमें कोई लेटर करस्पॉन्डिंग्स की है तो वो इनबॉक्स मतलब आपके सेंड बॉक्स में दिखाई देगा, और वही फाइल वापस आई है तो आपके इनबॉक्स में दिखाई देगा। इशू एंड रिटर्न्स, if you send something, I then you can use here to issue some records, and issue number will be there. Mainly you are using this. Issue means you are issuing something to someone else. Mainly we are focused on these two options, the file and the receipt. How to create a file? If you have having a 2 or 3 sections, and there is some files related to each section, like if you are in scholarship section and you want to make a file for corresponding regarding to the scholarship, then you should create the file with the name of scholarship. Even you can mark it as a 2024-25 for financial year or academic years. आप इस तरीके से कोई भी फाइल का नाम उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ देके इसको सेव कर सकते हैं। जैसे ही आप सेव करेंगे तो वो फाइल आपको कहाँ दिखाई देगी, यहाँ पे देखिए क्रिएटेड का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। आप आइदर इनबॉक्स में देख सकते हैं फाइल को या सेंड में देख सकते हैं जो आपने भेज दी। मगर जो फाइल आप क्रिएट करेंगे क्रिएट ऑप्शन से, वो आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ शो नहीं होगी। उसके लिए आपको यहाँ ये एफ सेक्शन के अंदर जाना है, दैट इज फाइल, and you have to click what you need to click, created, this one, this option, created. Once you click that created option, you will see the all created files in here only. It's my boys hostel id. I have 4 roles in my office, that is why it's showing the 4 different options. If I click this store in charge, this option will change according to that. I haven't any option at here. Maybe in NCC, I'm also NCC officer. Here you can see the 2 different file I have. One is camp detailment and one for NCC cadet refreshment. In these 2 file, I can have some letter, note sheet, correspondings, all are there. Different. This is my note sheet. The left one is my note sheet, and right one is correspondings, which I have sent letters to my higher officers through my principal. So that is an important thing. So you should know about this. And inbox, you can see once I send any file, it goes to the send option. And after signing in that draft, the principals has sent that file back to me, and I'm dispatching that file on behalf of the principal. So the first step is to create the file and send to your higher officer. It will come again in the file section. Okay. And the receipt section is if you have any paper or letter which comes to you in the physical form or digital form, it comes in this section, inbox. You can also create any file from here. That is a brief about how to log in and how to log out. Just click your name here. There is a button of logout. If you have any doubt, then just